Hello friends out there, welcome to another cooking video. This is a quick and easy to prepare recipe. Add the black pepper and the brown sugar. And our vinegar. Give it a quick stir. And then for the garnish, let's add our dried parsley. If you do not have a dried parsley, it's fine. Let's cover and cook for about 2 more minutes. And after 2 minutes, here is it. It's done, ready for serving. Thank you for watching.